everybody, hi, welcome. Thanks so much for stopping by and hanging with me a bit today. Kicking up outfit of the day, what I wore, where you get a week of outfits, you get PA weather, lots of puppies, and a little bit of life in there. It is Sunday morning, the sun is out, it's 67, it's supposed to get up to 78 degrees today, and I think that's going to be amazing, except for there is a lot of wind. Hey, say hi to Dexter. There's a lot of wind out there, so I think that's going to cool it down a bit. This is 30 degrees normal than we usually get for this time of year. I'm Laura, if you're new. That was Dexter. We also have Loki, the white pupper, and that is Willie over there, my son's dog. And then there's Harvey, the kitty, who makes cameo appearances every once in a while. We sure hope you stick around for the long haul. Hit that subscribe so I can keep on doing this. All right, so yeah, I can hear the wind blowing, but it looks beautiful outside, and the kids are already outside riding bikes and stuff, so it must be pretty nice. I'm gonna have to get out there. For my outfit today, I chose just black denim. I have on a frame top from Ever Eve. I got this during the Ever Eve sale. I have on a belt also from Ever Eve. I think it came in a Trendsend. And then I have on these cute little just gold slides. Easy peasy. For jewelry, I just put on a necklace. This is a Annalisa necklace with a Goriana charm. And I'm set for the day, I think. I have a video I want to get filmed for you all and get ready for the week. I'll see you tomorrow. Hey everybody, it is Monday. Time for outfit of the day. Dexter got groomed today, they all did. He's got his cute little bandana on, huh? He smells so good, don't you? You smell so good. Loki looks like a little fluff muffin. Come here, Loki, show everybody how handsome you are. Oh, look how cute you look. Oh, you're so handsome. Willie looks handsome too. He's not here right now. It is a chillier day than yesterday. Yesterday got up to 80. Today, not so much. 41. High of 56, which I think already happened this morning, so that's over. And my Stitch Fix posted today. Overall, I thought it was a good one. Just for the pricing, I ended up going with the 5. So I got the tank from Nick and Zoe, the cut from the cloth jeans, the Liverpool little pink jacket, the Pistola green pants, love those. And then I did end up keeping the black pants as my last item, which basically like one of these items was free. And for my outfit today, I have on a Goldie denim from a Trendsend several years ago. I have on a cut from the cloth sweater, also from several years ago. And you've been seeing a lot of these Jeffrey Campbell shoes, also from several years ago. And then for jewelry, I just have on the necklace my husband got me. And that's a wrap. That's a wrap. Your little Easter, their Easter bandanas on, don't you? Loki's is really cute. And, oh, Dexter's is carrots. I missed that at first. They look cute. All right, we're going to get back to work. I'll see you tomorrow. Hey everybody, it is Tuesday and it is sunny outside but cold, 33, but a blue sky and sunshine, so that part is nice. The gang's all here, eating treats and making messes. Making messes is their specialty, the trio of terror. And for today's outfit, I dressed comfortably. I have on a set from Z Supply, so Z Supply pants, and the matching little jacket. I put on a Travis Matthews top with it. And for shoes, I actually did tennis shoes. Love those. They're from a Stitch Fix by Dolce Vita. And then for jewelry, I just have on the necklace my husband got me. And that is a wrap for today. I'll be back early tomorrow as I'm leaving early in the morning to get to work, which I'll be for the rest of the week. And then, and then home Friday. I will see you tomorrow. Hey everybody, it is Wednesday, time for outfit of the day. And let's see, it's early in the morning. It is 4:45. And for my outfit, as I run out the door, I have on Michael Starr's joggers that I got in my latest Sprinter fashion. I have on a tank from Spanx I got from Nordstrom a while back. My little cardigan is, I like this, it's like a little zipper bomber, sweater bomber from Michael Starr's. And then for shoes, I just put on my mules from, these are Steve Madden. They're meshy. I wore them last week. And for jewelry, I just have on the same necklace and my bracelet stack, and I'm going to run out the door now. I will see you tomorrow. Hey everybody, it is Thursday, time for outfit of the day. It's going to be a warm one today, 47 degrees, high of 75, which feels amazing. I am super casual for outfit today because I'm going out into a field day, so comfy shoes, all the comforts. So I have on Paige denim. I think I got these in a front door fashion. I have on a White House Black Market Michael Stars 3/4 sleeve tops. I love this little v-neck top. I think I also got this one in a front door fashion. Then I have on a Thread and Supply comfy jacket. This one is from Wantable. And for shoes, I put back on those tennies from earlier this week, the leopard print Dolce Vitas that I got in a Stitch Fix. And then for jewelry, the exact same jewelry as yesterday, bracelet stack and the necklace my husband got me, and we're off and running. I hope you're having a great week. The lighting in this room is terrible, so we'll see how that works out. I'll see you tomorrow. Hey everybody, it is Friday, time for outfit of the day. Yesterday got really warm. It was nice. It was like 75 degrees by the end of the day. It was so nice. But now it's going down, back down the other direction. So it is 52 right now, high is 63, but tonight I think it's going to be in the 40s and tomorrow in the 40s, but that's all right. Let's see, for my outfit today, I have on Mave denim from an Armoire. My jacket is by Maje. It's also from Armoire. I have on a t-shirt it's a long sleeve tee from Michael Stars. My shoes are these really fun ones from Treasure and Bond. I got once upon a time in a trunk club, and I love them. And for jewelry, it's the same as what I've been wearing the last 2 days. So, all right, we made it to Friday. I will see you tomorrow with one final outfit. Hey everybody, it is Saturday, time for final outfit of the day. I have Dexter and Loki with me. And I didn't get to do Friday Funny yesterday because I wasn't home, so I have a couple for you. First off, I told you about the boys liking to go onto the pool cover and drink the water. Now they've decided to turn that into a game and chase a ball. So my son caught this yesterday. They were playing on the pool cover. I can't wait to get this pool open, so they stopped doing that. But anyway, they're enjoying it. Probably not the best thing, but they're enjoying it. And we're always trying to get them to get off, aren't we? Yes. All right, that was the first one. And then this one is just a little picture of Dexter. He likes to nook. So he usually does it on his bed, you know, where he's like suckling his bed. So I got him this new toy that I was hoping he would use instead of the bed because the beds are always wet. So anyway, I'm trying out this new toy, which he's snuggling up with this morning. I got this picture. So he's a cutie. Yeah, you're a cutie, aren't you? All right, so then my Trendsend posted on Wednesday. We didn't get a chance to cover my keepers, so let's do that. Can we do that, Dexy? Can we do that? All right, so here's what I kept. I try to keep myself organized, but it's hard sometimes. So I kept that stripy jacket. I thought that was cute. That one was from Melissa Neptune. I did keep the jeans. These were Pistola. I really enjoyed those. They had like the fun little cargo look to them, or utility pant look. I did keep the set from Z Supply, so the little tank and the running straight pants. There's the running straight. I kept the perforated blazer. I think that was fun to elevate a look, and I wear blazers a lot for work, so I think it makes for a nice look. And then, I did keep the salty sweatshirt to go as a topper on top of the tank with the pants. I kept the yellow Pistola pants, and I kept the shoes. Those were so fun from Vince Camuto. Loved them. They were on my wish list. And then I also kept the belt. The belt was the light blue with the gold hardware. Love that. All right, that one, if you missed it, it posted on Wednesday. Such a great box. My stylist always does an amazing job. I sent back 5 things I think I didn't keep. Let's see here. I sent back Oh, no, I only sent back 3 things. 1, 2, 4 things. 4. Like she does such a great job. She really does. Okay, for today, my loft haul post. I hope you guys check that one out. Another really good collection. I had fun with that one, so check it out and let me know what your favorites were. And for my outfit today, I have on Good American denim from Eve. I have on a Z Supply tee that I got straight from the Z Supply site. And then I have on a blank NYC jacket. This one I got from Eve. I thought this jacket was fun with the mix of the sweater and the denim. Just had a coughing fit in case I look red here for a moment. And then for shoes, Dolce Vita. Thought we'd go for gold, and then I have a gold loft belt on. For my jewelry, I have on a Goriana necklace and charm with a little elephant. I have on the necklace my husband got me. I have on my bracelet stack. And I'm off to breakfast with my friend. And that's a wrap on outfit of the week. Like, we did it. I can't believe this week went by super quickly. As always, I'll list all the items down below for each outfit. If I can link directly to an item, I will. Many come from boxes, so all the box links will be below as well, and you'll know which box it came from. Thanks so much for hanging out with me today. Don't forget to share your favorite outfit this week. Click like, subscribe, swipe to hype so I can keep on going, and I will catch you next time. Bye-bye.